Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I'm going to get real for a second with you. I have been battling dry, cracked feet. It is no joke, and I am so happy that I finally found a pumice stone that I truly love. This is by the Gildan Tree, and man oh man, am I so happy with this pumice stone. First of all, weird thing to say for what it is, but it is beautiful. It's made out of all natural terracotta, and it has this super easy to grip handle. So it's very easy to maneuver around your feet. I really appreciate the natural look and feel of this. It has the one side that is rough for scrubbing away the dry, dead skin, and then the other side is nice and smooth, which provides a buffing afterwards. So I followed the instructions that it came with. I soak my feet first, and then I apply a little bit of hand soap to the pumice stone, and then just do gentle circles with that rougher edge, and then flip it over and do the same thing with the smoother edge. I truly, truly love this pumice stone, and it has really helped my feet to feel smoother. I'll put lotion on afterwards and then some socks on. It's like a little self-care moment. I've had others that were maybe a plasticky material, and I live in a very humid area, so I find that things get mildewy very fast. I was so happy to see that this natural terracotta dries itself off so quickly. So I'm not afraid of it growing mildew. It's going to dry off and be totally fine until the next time I use it. If you are looking for a way to stay on top of dry skin on your feet, I highly recommend checking out this pumice stone. I'm so happy with it, and I think you will be too, but that's just my point of view.